In this video, we'll show you how to use the Garmin Forerunner 55 to record a high intensity interval training or HIIT activity. So what we're going to do here, we're going to press start stop, and we will select our high impact training. If it's not listed here, we're going to go under add, press start, and we're going to add some other activity profiles, and we'll select HIIT, and we'll select yes, and then we can position our high impact up and down the list. So we'll just put it right here, right after the outdoor run, and we'll hit start. There we go. So now next time that you're going to start, you can hit start. You're going to go down and there's HIIT right there. Hit start again. So here we're going to select our type of timers. So free is an open unstructured HIIT activity, right? AMRAP, that's as many rounds as possible during a set time period. The EMOM is to record a set number of moves every minute on the minute. And Tabata to alternate between 20-second intervals of maximum effort with 10 seconds of rest. And then we have custom to set your move time, rest time, the number of moves, and the number of rounds. So let's say we want to customize, we can press start. We can select the move time, and from there we can just scroll up and down, set the seconds, set the rest time, set moves, set rounds. And now your custom settings are done. When you're ready to go, you can hit on start. Now you're doing your activity, and of course you'll do your timers. If you do up and down, you have different data fields. You can see here we have the countdown timers here, and now you'll go and do your rest period, and then from there you keep on doing the reps. When you're back, or when you're done your workout, you can just hit stop the activity timer, and then from here you can either resume the activity, we can save it, or we can discard it. In this instance, I'm going to save it. Press start, and there we go. Here you have a quick overview of your HIIT activity if we had more options. Once you're all done, you can hit back. You can either start another workout or hit one more time, back to the watch face, and we're all done. And that is how you record a HIIT activity on your Garmin Forerunner 55.